I'd like to welcome each one of you on this lovely Saturday evening. It gives me great pleasure that I welcome all of Max Bupa's CEO Conclave and APC Me 2020 superstars. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is A.K. Rahman, your host for the evening, and we are ready because it's Bond to win. Are you all ready? How are you doing today? Are you doing good? I can see the smiles and I'm super excited because I'm sure you all have anticipated this long enough for this day to come. Well. Let me stop right here because you've been waiting and इंतजार की घड़ियां खत्म हुई. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to begin the most awaited and the utmost grand celebration as we are celebrating the James Bonds of the industry. Yes, you got it right. The ones who bear the golden eye for excellence. The ones with a thunderbolt performance. And of course, the ones who are the undisputed heroes of the Max Bupa family. Ladies and gentlemen, ye aap hai. You are the ultimate achievers and the apex performers. Born for life, because हमारा आपका bond हमेशा के लिए. So give yourself a big round of applause. Come on, everybody! Woo-hoo! All right, so achievers, are you all ready? Because this evening promises to be one of celebration. We're going to celebrate our success, hum sabka success, and we celebrate your glorious achievements. So let's have another round of applause for each one of you. Come on, everybody. I want to hear you loud and clear. Everybody give a big round of applause. Come on. जब इतनी तारीफें हो रही है, इतनी मुस्कुराहट हो रही है, we are smiling every single time. Shouldn't we say congratulations? Ladies and gentlemen, जहां कहीं भी है, I want you to put your hands up like this and go with the celebratory dance. And we're going to go on 3, 2, and 1. We're going to play the song. Dance wherever you are with your hands up. All right? Let's go with the celebration song. Come on, everybody. Your hands up in the air. Here we go. Come on, I want to hear you on this track. Celebration ka track is coming right away. Let's dance jahan kahin bhi hai. Everybody, celebration.
Happy as can be. I was afraid that maybe you thought you were above me, that I was only fooling myself to think you'd love me. But then tonight you said you couldn't live without me. That roundabout me, you wanted to stay.
Everybody! Oh yes, that is incredible. I like the spirit. I like the smiles. I can see a whole lot of people out there. And जो मुस्कुरा नहीं रहे हैं, I want you to smile because our bond is super special and we are born for life. We're going to celebrate our success year on year, हमेशा. Well, जब हम बात करें celebration की, it's time for us to raise a toast for you. All the winners, you've raised the bar. Well, ladies and gentlemen, जब आपने कमाल कर दिया, you've done incredibly well. Now let's see what the super seniors have in store for you, the top performers. Is it raise the toast? Let's take a look.
Congratulations to all our top performers for your extraordinary accomplishments.
Cheers to you, ladies and gentlemen. You are raising the bar and making us all proud. It is such a special occasion. I want you to give yourself a thundering round of applause. Come on, everybody. Here we go. Whoa! All right, it's time for us to take one step further and welcome the guiding force of leaders, the hero of heroes, a magnanimous personality whose reputation in the industry precedes him. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to request the presence of Mr. Krishnan Ramachandran, Managing Director and CEO, Max Bupa. Let's give him a round of applause, everybody.
Together.
Thank you very much, Ankur. That was a blockbuster presentation. Amazing session indeed. Really getting us on the, actually, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम सब यही कहें कि तू ले उड़ान, तू ले उड़ान. Thank you. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, incredible, incredible. What an evening this is turning out to be. I hope you're having a good time. I see the smiles. अब जो कोई भी स्क्रीन के सामने देख रहे हैं, मुझे एक बार मुस्कुरा के बताइए. एक बार. On the count of 3, give me a smile. 1, 2, 3. Smile. क्या बात है. You know, जब आप ये बात करते हैं, you actually, like Ankur mentioned, आप लोगों की जिंदगी में एक बहुत बड़ा एहसान कर रहे हो, making them live better lives. And in these challenging times जो आप कर रहे हैं, believe you me, you're God's good souls. Believe me, this is special. अच्छा, एक काम करते हैं. चलिए, आप लोग इतने इंटेलिजेंट हैं ना, एक छोटा सा गेम खेलते हैं, बिकॉज उसके बाद होने वाला है सेलिब्रेशन. ऐसा सेलिब्रेशन जहां पर आपने मेहनत की, and we're gonna give you your deserving awards and rewards. Right now, आपके पास है चैट बॉक्स, जहां पर अपने दिमाग को यूज कीजिएगा and answer this question. It's gonna be a very simple one, all right? Listen to this. ध्यान से. What is this? You can catch me, but cannot throw me. You can catch me, but you cannot throw me. Send your answers in the message box. Chat box mein bhejiga. It's very simple. You can catch me, but you cannot throw me. What am I? You're gonna get a prize right now, ladies and gentlemen. Koi to lucky hone wala hai. Somebody's gonna get vouchers to shop. So let's see who's gonna give me the answers. You can catch me, but you cannot throw me. Let's see who's giving me the answers. Oh, we have already people trying. देखते हैं कौन जीतेगा ये. Simple है ना? सोचने में देखिए ना. You can catch me, but you cannot throw me. So I am okay. Oh, right. We've got the answer right here, and oh boy, so we've got somebody saying success. Success, you can catch me, you cannot throw me. Okay. Somebody is, okay, we've got some really intelligent people, and I've got the first answer. The first person who's going to win this is, all right, here we go. It's Pratish Malik. Pratish Malik, congratulations. And we'll make sure that your code, your numbers given to the organizers, ye aapke paas aapka gift bhej denge. So congratulations. Our first winner is Pratish Malik. Congratulations. Are you smiling? Okay. Now, for all the others, the answer is cold. You know, you can catch cold, but you cannot throw it. Intelligent, na? Yeah, you knew it. आपको पता था, बताने वाले थे, लेकिन हम भूल गए. That's all right. That's all right. That's all right. Okay. We have a lot of answers coming in. Very nice. Good. Intelligent. I'm going to ask you one more question. एक और सवाल पूछूं? So, you're going to smile, and then if you smile, I'm going to ask you another question. Okay? Smile. All right, here we go. Okay, listen to this. बहुत ध्यान से सुनना, okay? I'm clean when I'm black. I'm clean when I'm black. I'm dirty when I'm white. What am I? I'm clean when I'm black. I'm dirty when I'm white. What am I? Lot of answers already pouring in. We've got some really intelligent people. I'm seriously happy. And we've got, we've got Seema Gupta. That's DAL 0127541. Blackboard is the answer. Congratulations. Yeah, kitne intelligent hai aap, Seema. Congratulations. That's very nice. Yeah, there you are. It is the blackboard. So, you know, I'm clean when I'm black. I'm dirty when I'm white. Ooh, intelligent. So, all right, you want one more? Ek aur. It's a special evening. I'm going to ask you one more, okay? This is an easy one. Throw in your answers. Let the answers come pouring in, okay? Here we go. This is the simplest one, okay? I shoot, but I never kill. I shoot, but I never kill. What am I? I shoot, but I never kill. Come on, born for life. Intelligent people, jawab dijiyega. Let's see what is the correct answer. Who's giving me the first answer? I'm going to tell you if you won yourself a voucher. All right. Okay. I shoot, but I never kill. What am I? Dimag ladaiye. Oh, there's somebody saying smile. Somebody saying smile. Somebody saying smile. Somebody saying victory. I shoot, but I never kill. I shoot. What am I? Okie dokie. We've got so many correct answers. I'm really happy that we've got so many people giving in these answers, and Okay, whose one is okay. BAN 0123430. Congratulations, BAN 0123430. आपने correct जवाब दिया and the answer is it's a camera. Okay. आपको पता था ना? आपको पता था लेकिन आपने बस बताया नहीं यार. Okay, so there you are. We have these three questions and there's more coming up. I'm gonna keep plugging in these questions, but right now let's go on for something really important, and that is the big one. Ladies and gentlemen, hold your heart and sit tight as we are about to begin our first set of awards, and let's get the ball rolling with the CEO Conclave Budapest Awards. So are we all ready? Ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor in welcoming on the stage Mr. Krishnan Ramachandran, MD and CEO, Ankur Karwanda, Director Retail Sales, and Dr. Bhavatosh Mishra, Director Claims, Underwriting and Product. And we're going to start off with the agent category. Let's get ready. Ladies and gentlemen, energy chahiye, smile chahiye, and the biggest thing which I want you to do is jahan kahin bhi hai, applaud, because to reach this position, it takes a lot of effort, conviction, and heart and soul. So, आज हम celebrate करेंगे, ladies and gentlemen, the CEO Conclave Awards. Let's start off with the first winner. Are we all ready? Please welcome our first winner. Let's hear it with a big round of applause. Glennis Sequeira.
Congratulations, Glennis Sequeira, for qualifying CEO Conclave.
Congratulations, Glennis. Congratulations once again for everybody's knowledge and information. Glennis has been our #1 advisor and has won APC for 41 times and qualified for all the CEO Club Awards since inception. First person in our advisor community who has also qualified for Chairman's Award. And as I recently known, our B2B2C champion as well. So once again, congratulations, Glennis. You are live on screen. Thank you very much for all the hard work. Thank you very much and keep growing. 61 into 2 is 1.22 crores for this year from us. Good luck.
Congratulations, Glennis.
Yes, congratulations, Glennis.
You are on mute, I think, Glennis.
Abhi, am I?
Now we can hear. Okay.
Okay. Can you?
All right, that was brilliant. Let's
move on to the next category. Congratulations, Glennis. Do well. Let's move on to the next award for the day.
All right, let's go on to the next award. It's Mr. Sunil Prabdas Jai Singh. Zorla Talia Sunil ji ke liye. Come on, everybody.
A big round of applause for Sunil Prabdas Jai Singh for qualifying CEO Conclave.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Sunil. For everybody's information, he is our top advisor from West Zone. He started with working with us from last year only, and in the first year itself, he qualified 2 tickets for the CEO Conclave and topped in the West Zone. A very committed, determined individual who is known for tracking his goal daily. Sunil, congratulations again. You have also qualified Supreme for APC Abu Dhabi as well. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations, Sunil. Heartiest congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
top in the West Zone. A very committed, determined individual who is known for tracking his goal daily. Sunil, congratulations again. You have also qualified the Supreme Court ABC Club as well. Congratulations.
All right, let's go on for the next one. It's Vinay Kumar Mishra.
Kudos to Vinay Kumar Mishra for qualifying CEO Conclave.
Congratulations, and we have Vikas taking on behalf of Vinay. Vikas is a young, energetic individual who is consistently among the top 5 advisors of West Zone. Also, the CEO Club advisor for 2 times regular APC qualifier, and very consistent in new business and renewal persistency. Congratulations, Vikas. You have also qualified and won APC President and Double Summit. Congratulations.
All right, let's
With us in 2021. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much. This is good news. This is massive. You know, I have to tell you this, having traveled around the world, I think you are in for a treat because Sydney is one of the finest cities you can go to, and 4 nights, भाई कमाल है. आप तो पूरा मतलब कमाल करने वाले हैं. You will have a bond for life. You're going to fall in love with that city. So work hard. And I'm just going to ask you a big question. How many of you ready for Sydney? I can see you guys here. I can see you. As much as Krishnan Saab and Ankur Saab are just watching you, आप बताइए कौन? Just put your hand up. Yeah, come on. Oh my God, this is incredible. This is special, guys. We will see you in Sydney, come what may, because you are absolutely phenomenal. You guys have what James Bond always believes in. Koi challenge nahi hai. We are gonna make it and definitely make it. Give a big round of applause. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you very much for joining us on the stage. Why, this evening is just massive. This evening is super special, and we will have entertainment, celebration, and much more. So, are you enjoying the evening? चलिए आपके पास chat box है. Do let me know what do you think of the evening so far. अच्छा, अगर आप enjoy कर रहे हैं, तो why not test your intelligence one more time? This is going to be really nice. Okay, I've got a little quiz which is coming up here. आपके screen पर आएगा and आपको जवाब देना है. I'm going to ask you the question, and if you think you know the answer, chat box में type करना, and you could be winning vouchers for your shopping. You love shopping, don't you? Okay, so what do you think? You know, cricket is a religion, guys. Cricket is a religion जो हर कोई सचिन बनना चाहता है, हर कोई सौरव, विराट कोहली, Kapil Dev, Zahir Khan. Now, this is your chance to tell me if you know cricket. I'm going to ask you some questions. If you know the answer, type it in the chat box and send it to me, all right? And if you get it correct, you will win vouchers for your shopping. Are you ready? Okay, what we'll do is, before we get started, let's do a little rhythm, okay? I can't hear you, but I can see you, okay? So let's do this. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Aha. Aha. Hey, hey, hey. Aha. Okay, the first question is, ये किस गाने की शुरुआत है? Yeah, before the cricket question comes, tell me which song की शुरुआत is. Type in the chat box. बहुत ही पुराना गाना था. And if you know which song this is, you have to tell me in the chat box before the cricket question comes. You're going to win a prize right away. Okay, we've got a lot of messages coming. Thank you. But I know it's a Rajesh Khanna song, but Gana kaun sa hai? You know, you need to tell me what song is that. Na 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 na. Yeah. Okie dokie. We've got somebody coming in real fast. Thank you very much. It is indeed कोरा कागज था ये मन मेरा. All right, and the winner is P101310. You get yourself a voucher. Congratulations. यानी आज आपका बॉन्ड बन चुका है. All right, okay. क्रिकेट तो हम भूल ही गए यार गाने गाने में. Here we go. Let's focus. Cricket. So you know cricket? Tell me this. All right, let's go to the next slide. If you know what cricket is, बताइए what is the meaning of this? Let's go to the next one. देखो देखो. आए हाय. Is this a clue? What is this? If you know, if you understand what it is, type it in the message and send it to me. All right? Let's see what is this. Wicket and ये क्या है? आपको पता है? Do you know it? There is a cue. There's a clue in it. Okay, you need to tell me what this is. All right. There's a connection between those two images. So what is it? अगर आप cricket जानते हैं तो you will win a prize. You will win a voucher. So let's see whether you know it. Okay. A lot of messages coming. किसी ने कहा है cricket, किसी ने कहा है out, किसी ने कहा है run out, किसी ने कहा है single, and the right answer is, well, somebody got it. It is, let's go to the answer. The answer is hit wicket. Yeah, go to the next slide. Let's do it. Yeah, it's hit wicket. You know, आप खेल रहे हैं, आप hit wicket हो गए, and the correct answer was given by P103934. Congratulations, you're smart. It is indeed hit wicket. यानी आप खेल रहे हो, आपने खुद अपनी wicket को मार दिया तो hit wicket. So too bad. If you got it, congratulations. Shopping Mubarak. Let's go for the next one. Here we go. There you are. See that? Okay. The next question is this. Take a look at this. What is this? What is this? Message कीजिए. In the chat box, you got to tell me what is this. You're all very smart people. You are James Bond, superstar, super achiever, super intelligent. इसका जवाब दीजिए. I am waiting with the vouchers. मेरे पास बहुत सारे vouchers हैं. I want to give it to you. I want to give it to you. So take it. Let's see what the answer is. Tang, tang, tang. There's a duck and there's a coin. And what is that? So, oh boy, we've got a real quick answer, and this gentleman is amazing. And we've got the correct answer given by P107658. All right, and that is golden duck. Golden duck. Let's go to the next slide and I'll tell you why it is called as a golden duck. दोस्तों यहाँ पर आप देखिए golden duck मतलब पहली बॉल में आउट. Golden duck. Too bad, no? I mean, imagine एक बंदा आके खेलने जा रहा है and then he goes out for a golden duck. Such an embarrassment. But होता है golden duck. Yeah. Okay, if you got it right, congratulations. Let's go for the next one. Okay, here we go. Third question, are you ready? ये कौन सा क्या है ये? आपको पता है? If you know cricket, this has nothing to do with anything else. It's with cricket. It's a cricketing term. ये cricketing term है तो क्या है? इस picture को relate कीजिए and tell me what is this. Intelligent है ना? Chat box में दिखाइए. Come on, tell me what it is. Let's see if you got this right. And if you got this right, you're going to be winning vouchers. Yeah, we're celebrating this evening, guys. Okay. You see a wall and you see a man. What is this? Oh, somebody mentioning Great Wall of China. I know it is a Great Wall of China, but there's a connection there. Somebody said Rahul Dravid. No, that's not Rahul Dravid. Come on, use it. You need to make a connection. You know, इन दोनों चीजों को मिलाकर बताइए and chat box में बताइए कि क्या है ये. You're very smart people. I love the way you're thinking. You know, it's got you thinking. ये सबसे अच्छी चीज ये है कि आप लोग सोच रहे हैं, but did you get it correct? That's the most important thing because I know you know it because you can get this right. Okay? Somebody saying China Wall. Somebody saying Dravid. Lords. It's not that difficult, is it? Socho. I'm gonna give you like an. Okay, we got the correct answer. It's Chinaman. Yes, there you are. It's Chinaman. You know, you got to read this. जो bowling करते हैं, जिस तरीके से ball करते हैं, उस तरीके को Chinaman कहा जाता है. It was a little tricky one, but then that was interesting, wasn't it? You love cricket, you're gonna love what we're doing. We've got another question coming up. दोस्तों, आप इतने intelligent हैं, इतने brilliant हैं, इसको crack कीजिए. Connected with cricket? If you know cricket, this is your question. Here we go. Oh boy, take a look at this. क्या आप जानते हैं कि cricketing term में ये क्या है? If you know it, send it in the chat box because आप जीत सकते हैं shopping vouchers. Come on, everybody. इंतजार कर रहा हूं मैं. Everybody, go on, go on, go on. Are we getting the answer? You all are very intelligent. I have to tell you this. Log effort done. And we've got loads and loads of answers. I'm loving this. Champions, you surely have a bond with us. And we're waiting. There you are. You got this and you got a ball. And who said Golconda Fort? Purana wala tha. No, that's not related to cricket. But here is a cricketing term. हम एक cricketing term के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. अगर आपको पता है तो प्लीज हमें बताइए क्या है ये. Power over? No, there's nothing called as power over. Good try. Power over is not the ball tampering is not the correct answer. थोड़ा सोच के देखिए. Power play is not the correct answer. You know, you're trying and that's the beauty of it. आप लोग कितने अच्छे हैं that you're trying. It's all about trying, you know. Try, कोशिश करना. Biceps? Yeah, biceps, but that's not the correct answer. Shoulder ball. No, you're very close. Oh, we've got some. No, and we're just trying to figure out. Tennis elbow is not the correct answer. No. And I am just wondering. Okay. Somebody said right arm bowling. We're getting a lot of answers. You know, the beauty of it is people are trying and we're getting some really, really nice answers. And I think I'm going to give it to this gentleman. It's arm ball, all right? It's P104437. It's arm ball. Basically, जब आप bowling करते हैं, if you're spinning it this side, the ball goes with the spin. It's across the spin. So, you know, थोड़ा cricketing terminology में आप जहाँ वहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हैं. That's how it is. Arm ball is if you're spinning this way, ball यहाँ जाने की बजाय ऐसे जाता है. So it's a tricky arm ball. So that's how it is. So you know cricket? You should know the answers. Devi Sajano, we're having a good time. I hope you're enjoying this brilliant evening. My name is A.K. Rahman and I'm loving this evening because you all are super special. You all are rock stars. You all are super achievers. And आज की शाम आगे बढ़ाते हैं. We've got more rewards, more recognitions. हम इस शाम को special बनाते हैं ना. Are you all ready? So if you're ready, let's go on with our next set, the APC Abu Dhabi Awards. And we start off with the agent category. Are you all ready? तैयार है? तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो गए. Come on, everybody. Super. And to do the honors, please welcome Ankur Karwanda Saab and Praveen Pathak. Zordar talia. Praveen Pathak is the zone head, central, and Ankur Karwanda, director, retail sales. Let's have them on the screen. And we're going to go on with these awards. Ladies and gentlemen, energy, company honi chahiye. I want you to be really, really energetic as we go on with this. Okay, let's go on. Are we all ready? First up, please welcome Srinivas Gades, qualified for Summit for Abu Dhabi and Summit for Sri Lanka. Congratulations. All right. Let's go on with our next one. It's the Venkateshwara Babu. जोरदार तालियां वेंकटेश्वरा बाबू के लिए. सेंट्रल जोन के हमारे अवार्ड्स जो हो रहे हैं दोस्तों, मैं चाहता हूं कि इन सारे विनर्स के लिए आप जोरदार तालियां बजाते रहे. वेंकटेश्वरा बाबू, बहुत बहुत मुबारक थी. वेंकटेश्वरा बाबू is our next winner. And but there you are. That's first Srinivas Gade. Srinivas Gade के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Come on, everybody from Hyderabad. And let's move on. Congratulations. Our next winner is T. Venkateshwara Babu. Ladies and gentlemen, Venkateshwara Babu. तालियां हो जाओ उनके लिए.
Congratulations.
वेंकटेश्वरा बाबू के लिए जोरदार तालियां.
Congratulations.
And please move on to our next winner, A. Venkata Reddy, qualified for Summit for Abu Dhabi and Summit for Sri Lanka. And that is A. Venkata Reddy.
Congratulations, Mr. Banker.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Very
Our
well
next
done.
winner is Totta Gagan, qualified for Summit for Abu Dhabi and Summit for Sri Lanka. Totta Gagan के लिए जोरदार तालियां.
Congratulations, Mr. Tota Gagan.
Congratulations.
Our next winner is M.K. Ranveer. तालियां हो जाए रणवीर साहब के लिए.
Congratulations, Mr. Gagan. Well done.
Anil KB.
Congratulations. Well,
And our next winner is Saraswati Pottaraju, qualified for Summit at Abu Dhabi and for Sri Lanka. Summit for Sri Lanka. दोनों के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Saraswati Pottaraju.
Congratulations, Mr.
well done.
Well done, ma'am. Excellent, superb.
And our next winner is तालियां हो जाए for Priya Rani.
Oh, Ludhiana shining. Very well. Excellent.
All right, there you are. We're having a great evening, and thank you, Deepak Sharma Sahab. And I hope you're having a good time. I hope you're enjoying it. And आज की शाम आपके नाम है. It's for all you performers. We've got loads and loads of celebration coming up, and I hope you're having a good time. Enjoy कर रहे हैं आप? चलिए, अब मैं आपके साथ एक चीज बताना चाहता हूं कि आज की शाम आपके नाम है. आज की शाम सेलिब्रेशन के नाम है. आप जहां कहीं से भी आप एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, कैसे फील कर रहे हैं, बस आप मुझे एक मुस्कुराहट दीजिए ताकि मैं आगे बढ़ूं. बिकॉज वी गॉट होल लॉट ऑफ अवार्ड्स के साथ साथ there's a lot of interaction. आप ढेर सारे prizes भी जीतने वाले हैं. बिकॉज अब मैं जाने वाला हूं for ACE Awards. सवाल पूछूंगा इस अवार्ड के बाद, यानी इस सेट ऑफ अवार्ड्स के बाद. बिकॉज इसके बाद हम आपके साथ खेलेंगे एक गेम जहां पर मैं आपको दूंगा मौका कि आप ढेर सारे प्राइज जीते. तैयार है? राइट नाउ अंकुर साहब मैं चाहूंगा, आई रिक्वेस्ट अंकुर टू कम बैक, एंड ऑल्सो संदीप Bhardwaj, head ACE. I request you to kindly come on the screen because we're going to go on with the ACE Awards. Let's have the energy going. अब तक जितने भी award winners हैं, let's have a round of applause for them. Come on, everybody! Fantastic! Let's go on with the ACE Awards, and here we go. Our first winner is Mohan Gandhi K. तालियां हो जाए मोहन गांधी के लिए.
Congratulations, Mohan. Congratulations, Mohan. Super show, buddy.
Congratulations. Let's go on for the next one. It's Vishnu Parad Datta, also qualified for Summit for Abu Dhabi and GSM Rank.
Vishnu Paradatta. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Dada. Well done. Congratulations. Super show.
All right, let's go on for the next
Outstanding,
one.
Dada.
Prakash. Congratulations, N. Prakash.
Congratulations, Mr. Prakash for Salem.
Well done, Prakash. Well done.
Okay, let's go on with our next winner. It's Pranjal Jain. Zordar taaliyan for Pranjal.
Congratulations, Jan sahab. Well done. Well done, Pranjal.
Congratulations, Pranjal.
Well done, buddy. Well done.
Welcome forward, Pranjal. Very well done. Let's welcome Neela Moria.
Well done, Mohan ji. Well done. बहुत मुबारक. Super. Keep shining, Hiram ji. Keep shining.
Very well done, and I like the picture. Neelam is looking like a rock star, all inspiring and positive. Very well done. Let's go on to the next winner, Archana Sinha.
He is a rock star. Congratulations, Archana ji. Many congratulations. बहुत मुबारक.
Okay, let's go on for the next one. It's Rajendra Kumar Jain. Congratulations, Rajendra.
Congratulations, Rajendra ji. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Rajendra ji. Many congratulations.
बहुत मुबारक. Please welcome our next winner. It's Priyanka Modi.
Congratulations, Priyanka.
Well done, Priyanka ji. Well done. Super.
Please welcome our next winner. It's Monica Singh.
Congratulations, Monica.
Well
done, Monica ji. Well done.
It's
Many
Aditya
congratulations.
Adholia. Double Summit for Abu Dhabi and JFM Pride also on his agenda. Congratulations.
Wow, Aditya. Congratulations.
Super, Aditya. Well done.
And please welcome फनेंद्र जैन, हमारे विनर जो अगले आने वाले हैं. फनेंद्र जैन के लिए जोरदार तालियां.
मुबारक जैन साहब. Well done, yaar. Very well done.
Congratulations.
Many congratulations.
All right, let's give a big round of applause for all our winners. Thank you, gentlemen, for doing the honors. And मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं? और हमने जो वादा किया वो वादा निभाएंगे. जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा. Yes, वादा निभाएंगे. और वादा ये है कि I'm gonna give you vouchers. अच्छा, फिल्में देखते हैं आप? बॉलीवुड की फिल्में? शाहरुख खान, अमिताभ बच्चन, धर्मेंद्र, कितने स्टार्स आ गए ना. और आप तो बॉलीवुड के बारे में सब कुछ जानते हैं. रेखा से लेकर आज कटरीना कैफ, करीना कपूर, यू नो एवरीथिंग. अब देखते हैं कि आप बॉलीवुड को जानते हैं. बिकॉज आई एम गोना आस्क यू समथिंग रियली स्पेशल. दोस्तों तैयार हो जाइए, चैट बॉक्स आपका खुला रखिए, बिकॉज मैं आपसे पूछने वाला हूं बॉलीवुड के बारे में कुछ सवाल. और ये सवाल आप पूछता सकते हैं prizes. So are you ready to be the Bond and are you ready to win some prizes? Let's get ready. Okay, तैयार हो जाइए. बॉलीवुड से रिलेटेड मैं सवाल पूछने वाला हूं आपसे. ओके, पूछू क्या? अरे आप स्माइल तो करो ना. ऐसे करोगे? अच्छा चलिए, आपने मुस्कुरा दिया, मैंने देख लिया. अब मैं आपके साथ खेल रहा हूं बॉलीवुड से रिलेटेड ये गेम. सो लेट्स गेट रोलिंग. ओके गाइस, ये सवाल आपकी स्क्रीन पर आने वाला है. ये इमोजीज हैं. अब इमोजीज को देखकर आपको गेस करना है क्या है ये. सो गेस द सॉन्ग. आप गाने तो गा रहे हैं, मैं भी गाने गा रहा हूं, आप भी गाने गा रहे हैं. हम अलग अलग चीज को हम यहाँ पे पेश करें. अब ये इमोजीज हमने आपके सामने रखा है. अगर आपने इस इमोजीज को कनेक्ट करके एक गाना बना दिया, गेस द सॉन्ग कर दिया, गाने को टाइप कर दिया, चैट बॉक्स में जल्दी से हमें भेज दिया, तो आपके पास सुख से वाउचर आने वाला. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, let's start off with guess the song. Let's go on and check this out. कौन सा गाना है ये बताइए ना. मेरे गाने पे मत जाना, डिस्ट्रैक्शन हो सकता है. कौन सा गाना है ये बताइए, चैट बॉक्स में भेजिए मुझे. I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting. Oh boy. बहुत सारे लोग देख रहे हैं, बहुत सारे लोग मुझे पूछ रहे हैं, एंड बहुत सारे लोग बोल रहे हैं वाओ. हाँ वाओ तो है, लेकिन गाना कौन सा है? Come on, tell me. Come on, come on. बताइए मुझे कि कौन सा गाना है ये. ये दो स्माइलीज है, फिर कुछ ऐसा है, कुछ रास्ता है, क्या है ये? समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. सोचो, दिमाग पे जोर डालो and tell us which song is this. Bollywood का गाना. I see smiles, you know, this is such a beautiful thing. So many people smiling. Thank you, Deepa, Manjari, thank you very much. Smiling, and that's the way it should be. Tell me ये कौन सा गाना है, because ये गाना, aha. Alright, हमारे पास जवाब आ चुके हैं and I'm going to tell you it is. पहले गाना गा लो. Okay, here we go. हंसते हंसते कट जाए रस्ते जिंदगी यूं ही चलती रहे. Alright, and the winner is, here we go. We got the winner and the winner is Mihir Shah. Congratulations, very well done, Mihir. कमाल यार, आपने तो गाना भी गाया, मैं आवाज आ रही थी मुझे. Very good. That's the right answer. हंसते हंसते कट जाए रास्ते. अच्छा है ना, वाउचर आपको मिलने वाला है बहुत जल्द. Okay, let's check out this one. Let's go on for the next song. कौन गाना है क्या बताइए? आपको पता है तो आपको भेजिएगा. कौन सा गाना है? Because if you have answered, you will get the answer, the prize money. Yes, we shall give you the voucher. Shopping कीजिए. All right, who's sending the answer? Okay, we've got a lot of people sending. हाँ, मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते कट. अच्छा, लिरिक्स चेंज कर दिए बहुत सारे लोगों ने. हंसते हंसते को उन्होंने कहा मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते कट जाए रास्ते. Okay, that's okay. Okay, we've got this one. Two scissors. बीच में पता नहीं क्या कुछ क्रॉस है. कौन सा गाना है ये? हाँ. Acha, we got somebody is sent this song and thank you very much for the phenomenal response. I'm loving it because it's a brilliant song, guys. It's bolu. Okay, let's show the answer pehle. The answer is काटे नहीं कटते ये दिन ये रात कहनी थी तुमसे जो दिल की बात लो आज मैं कहता हूँ I love you. Alright, that's the correct answer. The winner is MBHMUM0146927. आपका है? Okay, अगर आपका आइडिया है, congratulations. कमाल है, कितना प्यारा सा गाना है. And what a beautiful song that was, you know. It was an epic गाना. And thank you for the phenomenal response. देखते हैं अगर आपको ये गाना नहीं मिला, यानी आप इसे समझ नहीं पाए, try for this one. Let's go for the next one. बहुत टफ है यार ये, मतलब कमाल कर रही है. ये कौन गेस करेगा? आपको पता है? जवाब दीजिए. देखते हैं किसको पता है ये गाना कौन सा है यार. मतलब ये कौन सा है ये? वो तो नहीं है. मतलब पता है ना? चैट पे भेजिए, चैट पे. इंतजार कर रहा हूं मैं. ये पता है मुझे, ये बहुत सारे अनुमली के फैंस भी है ना, बहुत पसंद करते हैं इस गाने को. Alright. I'm just waiting for the answers. हमारे पास okay, we've got this one, we got the answer and हाँ जी, there you are. It's एक मिनट. Well. पहले जवाब दिखा दूं या फिर मैं गा के सुनाऊं? Okay, जवाब दिखा दो पहले. ऊंची है बिल्डिंग, लिफ्ट तेरी बंद है, कैसे मैं आऊं, दिल रजा बंद है, आजा आजा आजा. Well, अनुमली का सुपर हिट गाना and the winner is DL010507. Congratulations, very well done. कमाल का गाना. This is an epic song which has been remade as well. तो पहले जो बना था उसको remix करे फिर बनाया है. It's like what a song. Okay, I'm going to give you another chance. बहुत सारे लोग. Are you having a good time? पहले एक मिनट, कोई सवाल नहीं पूछने वाला हूँ. पहले आप मुझे बताएं. If you're having a good time, say I'm loving it. All right? Come on, everybody. Are you having a good time? Chat box मेरा fill हो जाना चाहिए. I want to know if you're liking what's happening on the screen. Are you having a good time? चलो chat box से बताओ. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Oh, all right. Okay, there's so many people who are saying I'm loving it, but I'm going to give you the prize. जिन्होंने पहली बार पहला I'm loving it भेजा, उनको भी मैं प्राइज देने वाला हूँ. मतलब दिल देखो बंदे का कितना बड़ा है. So I'm going to give it to you, and we're going to give it to the first person who said I'm loving it, and it is DEL0127541. That's DEL0127541. Prize तो हम देते हैं because we are Max Bupa, you know. हम दिलों को जीतते हैं, हम दिलों को जीतते हैं, हम दिलों को जीतते हैं। Of course, we've got a Born for Life. Okay, next question. Here we go. अगला गाना कौन सा है? आए हाय, आपको पता है? मैसेज कीजिए ना। You need to send me कि कौन सा गाना है ये? या क्या गाना है ये? आए हाय हाय हाय, ये गाना आपको पता नहीं है? दो दिल है टूटे हुए हैं, क्या है, कौन सा ये? मैसेज करके बताइए। We've got loads and loads of messages coming in. I'm so happy that there's such a tremendous response, and we've got somebody who sent in the message first. अब देखते हैं किसको मिलता है। जवाब बताइए ना। The answer is, फिर पे आ रहा है आंसर, या समझ गया ना आपको? हाँ, जवाब दिखाइए। Let's see the answer on the screen, and the answer is टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा। भाई क्या बनाने वाले ने क्या गाना बनाया। And the winner is P107658. Congratulations. You know, we're having a brilliant time. I'm going to have one more before we go on with the awards, and what a brilliant evening this has turned out to be. Let's have another one. Okay, here we go. देखो देखो, हाय हाय, इसको देख के कोई गाना याद आ रहा है? पिस्तौल, कौन सा है ये? क्या है? कौन सा गाना आपको पता है? तो प्लीज चैट मैसेज में भेजिए, बिकॉज आई नीड टू नो व्हिच सॉन्ग दिस इज। ब्रिलियंट सॉन्ग है ये, कौन सा है ये? ओके, बहुत सारे लोगों के मैसेज आ रहे हैं। ओके, लेट्स गो। देखिए ना, पिस्तौल, भेजा एंड मैं गोली मार भेजे में भेजा शोर करता है। Alright, congratulations. This is incredible. We are adding like, you know, मेरा server is going to collapse. That kind of response. हमारे पास तो ढेर सारे messages. You know, my inbox is getting filled, and thank you for the phenomenal response. And the winner is the L012751. And Max Lupa, thank you very much. I am so thrilled to be a part of this event. It's a mega event. It's a massive event. It's your event. आपकी कामयाबी, आपका जज्बा, आपका जुनून, your passion, your dedication, your never say die attitude, and you raising the bar consistently. You are making superstars of yourself, and you are inspiring a whole nation. Congratulations. We're so proud of you. आप कमाल करते हैं, बस इसी तरह रहना, because आप जो कर रहे हैं कोई और सोच भी नहीं सकता, बिकॉज वो कहते हैं ना कि हम हैं, बाकी सब पानी कम है। That's exactly what you are. Congratulations, and I am loving every bit of it. मेरा नाम है AK रहमान, and I am so thrilled to be a part of this. मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि बस एंजॉय करते रहे, सेलिब्रेट करते रहे, बिकॉज ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा। Ladies and gentlemen, हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, and we are gonna go on with more and more awards. And I have the pleasure in welcoming Ankur back on the screen, along with Praveen Pathak, Zonal Head Central, and Ashish. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for all the winners. Thank you, presenters. Thank you very much for doing the honors. What an evening it's turning out to be. कमाल की शाम है। आपको मजा आ रहा है तो आप मुझे बताइए कि मजा आ रहा है। And पहले तो आप presenters के लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। Come on, everybody. And let's give a big round of applause for all our winners so far. Zordar talia for all the winners. Okay, how's it going? मुझे बड़ा मजा आ रहा है. I'm really loving every bit of it. And I think आपको कोई prizes चाहिए? ऐसी जनरल नॉलेज के लिए पूछ रहा हूँ. चैट बॉक्स में मुझे बताइए कि do you need some prizes? अगले 1 मिनट में, 30 seconds to 1 minute में अगर आपको prizes चाहिए तो मैं आपसे एक रिडल पूछूंगा. स्टार्टिंग में हमने पूछा था ना, वो आई कैन शूट बट आई कांट किल, क्या था वो? कैमरा था. तो ऐसा हम और 3 पूछने वाले हैं, तो आप तैयार हो जाइए. मैं रिडल पूछने वाला हूं आपसे. अगर आपको चाहिए, प्राइजेस चाहिए, तो प्लीज गिव मी, चैट बॉक्स में मुझे बताइए एंड टेल मी, डू यू नीड एन इंटरेक्शन, डू यू नीड सम प्राइजेस? बताइए मुझे. मैंने वेट कर रहा हूं, आपके जवाबों का इंतजार है। हमें बताइए कि क्या आप चाहते हैं कि हम आपसे सवाल पूछें? बताइए बताइए बताइए। मेरे पास दो ऑप्शन है, देखो, एक तो मैं रिडल पूछने वाला हूं, लेकिन रिडल पूछने से पहले मैंने सोचा कि बॉस ये करा दे, आप देखिए और मुझे ये बताइए। बड़ा सिंपल सा, देखिए मैं प्राइजेस देना है मुझे, इसीलिए मैं बहुत सिंपल सा कर रहा हूँ। ओह माय गॉड, लुक एट दिस। सारे लोग जो यहाँ पे मैसेज कर रहे हैं, यस वी नीड इंटरेक्शन, थैंक यू फॉर द लवली रिस्पॉन्स। ढेर सा, ओह माय गॉड, आई लव दिस, थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू। You know, I'm actually smiling from this end to this end because मेरे चैट बॉक्स में इतने सारे मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं, यस चाहिए, and so many things, alright, okay, तो on the screen आप देखिएगा, I've got these little questions, ये बड़ा easy सा रखा है मैंने, because I want to give you prizes, okay? आपको गेस करना है दो चीजें, मूवी एंड द विलन, alright, ready? Okay, पहला विलन पेश किया जाए, दोनों मैसेज करना वरना प्राइज नहीं मिलेगा, alright? And first villain is this. कौन सी फिल्म, कौन है ये साहब, इनका नाम बताना है और ये कौन सी फिल्म से है। चलिए, किसी ने पहले ही जवाब दे दिया और गलत जवाब दिया, गजनी नहीं है ये। दिस इज नॉट गजनी गाइस, दिस इज नॉट गजनी। Come on, come on, इनका नाम बताना है और ये कौन सी फिल्म से है, ओके? यस 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 यस, चलो 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 चलो, जवाब बताना, वेटिंग फॉर योर आंसर, राइट? चलिए मैं आई गॉट द आंसर एंड आई लव दिस। ये फिल्म कौन सी फिल्म से है, एंड ये साहब कौन सी फिल्म से ये इस पिक्चर को देख रहे हैं, यानी इस पिक्चर को हमने किससे लिया है और ये कौन साहब है। चलिए जवाब दिखाइए, मेरे पास तो जवाब तो ढेर सारे आ गए। जवाब है, लेट्स सी द आंसर, यस इट इज फ्रॉम वेलकम एंड इनका नाम था RDX। लेकिन किसी ने, एक मिनट, वेलकम है, मैं बता रहा हूं, जिसने मेरे को बताया सही जवाब उनका मैं नाम लेने वाला हूं। भाई साहब यहां पे तो आंसर की बाढ़ आ गई है, एंड वेल इट इज इंडीड RDX एंड इट इज फ्रॉम वेलकम एंड द विनर इज DEL01277541। सीमा जी, मतलब सारे जवाब आप दोगे? कितने सारे जवाब दे रहे हैं, गुड। बाकी बहुत सारे हैं जो दे रहे हैं। ऑलराइट, लेट्स, ये RDX, इनका नाम RDX का फिल्म है, तो फिरोज खान तो सब पता है, फिल्म में क्या नाम था वो बता देना। ऑलराइट, इन्होंने दोनों डाला था इसलिए हम दोनों गिरे। लेट्स गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन, हियर वी गो। सारा शहर मुझे लॉयन के नाम से जानता है और हमारी शख्सियत वही है जो जंगल में लायन की होती है। तो अगर चाहते हैं जवाब हम आपका सुने और आपको जवाब के साथ साथ प्राइज वाउचर भी दे, तो जवाब दीजिए सही वाला। लेट्स सी। ओके, फिल्म में क्या नाम था इसका, रादर इनका, क्षमा कीजिए, इनका, यू नो विलेन है तो भी इनका बोलना चाहिए। ऑलराइट, ओके, एंड पहला जवाब, पहले जवाब देख लेते हैं। लेट्स टेक अ लुक एट द आंसर, हियर वी गो। इट इज लॉयन एंड लॉयन फ्रॉम कालीचरण, एंड जो जवाब दिया P104937। कंग्रेचुलेशंस, वेरी वेल डन। इतने सारे करेक्ट जवाब, वाह, आप तो सारी फिल्मों को जानते हैं, सारे विलेन्स भी जानते हैं। लेट्स गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन, हियर वी गो। ये तो बड़ा मुश्किल है भाई। 50 कोस दूर जब बच्चा रोता है तो माँ कहती है बेटा सो जा, क्योंकि यार वो तो डायलॉग ही भूल गया मैं। कौन है ये, कौन सी फिल्म से है ये? यार कमाल करते हैं यार, ये क्या हो रहा है, मतलब क्या हो क्या रहा है। पहले चलिए जवाब देखते हैं, बहुत मुश्किल है, बहुत मुश्किल। जवाब है, अरे वो सांबा, जवाब है कितना इनाम रखा, वाउचर का इनाम है। इट इज गब्बर सिंह। कितना इनाम रखा गब्बर सिंह फ्रॉम शोले, जवाब दिया है DL01275541। गब्बर है, शोले। अच्छा ठीक है, अच्छा अच्छा, सही जवाब दिया। ओके, लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट। बहुत मजा आ रहा है ना? If you're liking it, please let me know it. you like it, you tell me, alright? Let's go on for the next one. Okay, here we go. Villains भी यार, villains भी आपको वाउचर दिला सकते हैं, you know? And अगले villain के बारे में बताइए, कौन है जो स्क्रीन पे आने वाले हैं? Oh right. You know, it's so good कि मुझे ये मजा इतना आ रहा है. I never thought कि बॉस, I never thought कि बॉस virtual में भी इतना मजा आ सकता है. चलिए, मैं आपको एक डायलॉग बोल के बताऊंगा, एंड आपको बताना है कि ये किसका डायलॉग है, राइट? किसने किस मतलब एक्टर का नाम बताना है, राइट? मैं डायलॉग बोलूंगा, मोगैम्बो खुश हुआ, मोगैम्बो खुश हुआ. ये किसने ये रोल प्ले किया था? मोगैम्बो का रोल किसने प्ले किया? आपको मुझे बताना है. अगर आपने मुझे बता दिया तो यू गोना गेट प्राइज वाउचर. तो आपको मुझे बताना है एक्टर का असली नाम, किसने मोगैम्बो का रोल प्ले किया. लेट्स ऑलराइट, कम ऑन. मोगैम्बो का रोल किसने प्ले किया मुझे बताओ ना. एंड गिविंग यू अ वाउचर. दिस इज अमेजिंग गाइस. यू नो, आई नेवर थॉट कि इतना मजा आने वाला है. दिस इज सच एन अमेजिंग सेशन. एंड आज की शाम बड़ी ही सेलिब्रेशन वाली शाम है, एंड ये प्राइज मैं आपको देने वाला हूं. एंड मोगैम्बो का रोल प्ले किया था अमरीश पुरी ने, दोस्तों, अमरीश पुरी. एंड हमें जवाब मिला है DL. क्या है ना, मैं मजाक कर रहे हैं हमका ये भाई. बहुत सारे लोग खेल रहे हैं, एक तो मतलब यानी मुझे यहाँ पे ना कम से कम 50 लोग एकदम जवाब दे रहे हैं, बार जवाब दे रहे हैं. तो मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ कि बॉस, यू नो, क्या इतने सारे लोग कैसे दे सकते हैं, इतने सारे लोग. ओ राइट, ओके. द विनर इज LUDO105449. अमरीश पुरी का जवाब दिया. सो कंग्रेचुलेशन गाइस. आपको मजा आ रहा है? इसी तरह मुस्कुराते रहिए, इसी तरह सेलिब्रेट करते रहिए, बिकॉज दिस इज योर इवनिंग गाइस. एंड आज की शाम आपके नाम, बिकॉज यू आर बॉर्न टू विन. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट्स अ ब्रिलियंट इवनिंग. माय नेम इज AK रहमान. मुझे बड़ा मजा आ रहा है बिकॉज आई एम लर्निंग, आई एम गेटिंग इंस्पायर्ड. लीडरशिप टीम ने जब आज की शाम की शुरुआत डिसाइड किया कि कोई टारगेट आपके लिए टारगेट नहीं है, बिकॉज यू विल अचीव नॉट जस्ट द टारगेट बट यू विल गो above it. So that's why you are born to win. दोस्तों, आज की शाम को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. Let's go on with our next APC Sri-Lanka Awards. तालियां हो जाए, because मैं बुलाना चाहता हूं एक बार फिर अंकुर खरबंदा साहब, डायरेक्टर रिटेल सेल्स. Let's welcome Ankur with a big round of applause. Everybody, come on. All right, congratulations to all the winners, and I hope you're having a good time. Are you enjoying it? अगर आप enjoy कर रहे हैं, प्लीज मुझे चैट बॉक्स में हाँ yes बोलो, yes, और I love you, या फिर yes, you're having a good time. Give me the answer. Are you having a good time? Come on, everybody. I need to see you. Because जब तक आप मुझे मैसेज नहीं करेंगे, मुझे पता कैसे चलेगा कि you guys are having a good time. If you guys are having a good time, पहले सारे विनर्स को एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Come on, everybody. तालियां. All right. Okay, मैं मैसेज देख लूं कि आप लोग एंजॉय नहीं करेंगे तो चैट नहीं करेंगे. मतलब and I thought मैं आपको थोड़े वाउचर्स और दूं, because मैं चाहता हूं कि आप शॉपिंग करें. लेकिन मुझे पता तो चले ना, आप एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, आपको वाउचर्स चाहिए नहीं चाहिए, कुछ तो पता चले. अच्छा, ग्रेट टाइम, वेरी नाइस. ओके, somebody said AK रहमान, you're doing very good, thank you. ओके, बहुत सारे लोग मैसेज कर रहे हैं, enjoying a lot. यो भी है. ओके, और थोड़ा, you know, I need some more love. Come on guys, I need some more love. And you know, I need to, because ये मैक्स ग्रुप है. ओके, हम दुनिया भी बताना चाहते हैं कि we are born to win, right? So हम जो भी करते हैं स्टाइल में करते हैं. So the best evening of lockdown. Thank you, Yogesh. That's brilliant. What a beautiful message. And right, Asima saying AK Rahman overpowered. Thank you. I love you guys. And okay, जब आपने इतना प्यार दिया है, ये मेरा हक है, मेरा फर्ज है कि मैं आपको एक मौका दूं कि आप वाउचर्स जीते. Right? Let's get ready. And क्या करूं मैं, सोच रहा हूं. एक ट्रिकी सवाल पूछने वाला हूं. Okay, hear this carefully. एक रिडल है, right? आपको बताना है कि क्या है ये. What is higher without a head? What is higher without the head than with it? What is higher without the head than with it? What is higher without the head than with it? क्या है? Tough है. But okay, I'll tell this again, okay? Show me one more time. It's this, okay? What's higher without the head? What's higher without the head than with it? Tricky, है ना? Okay. Alright. अच्छा, मेरे इशारों को देखो, आपको जवाब मिल जाएगा, okay? Okay, that's chicken. किसी ने कहा chicken, किसी ने Oh, somebody's got it bang on. Oh my God. You know, this is a tricky one. Okay, what's higher? What's higher? Now, and with it. It's a pillow. It's a pillow. And जवाब दिया है Dell DL04350002. Brilliant. बहुत सारे लोगों ने बोला कि success है, hair है. It was a trick question, right? Pillow is the correct answer. Pillow, you know. Okay, let's go on for this one. Hear me out. ये ना कमाल का सवाल है. It's all in the mind. You need to think about it and answer it. Okay. Okay. What can you hold? What can you hold with your left hand? What can you hold with your left hand? Never in your right. What can you hold in your left hand but never in your right? What can you hold with your left hand but never in your right? What is the answer? Oh, बहुत सारे लोगों ने पिछले सवाल का जवाब अच्छा दिया. पिलो अभी बहुत सारे आ रहे हैं. But the first one who got it. All right, let's see. किसी ने कहा है कि right thumb. Well, you can hold the right thumb with your right hand as well. Yeah, nice try. What can you hold with your left hand but not with your right? Right hand, of course, you can hold it. Right hand, yeah. But I'm actually asking for something precise, okay? बताओ. I got it right because I got somebody giving the correct answer. It is indeed the right elbow. You can hold your right hand, right shoulder, but you can't hold your right elbow. Yeah, you can hold it with your left hand, but not with your right. All right, there you are. The winner is DL04350002. Congratulations. Whoa, we've got some really smart people here. बहुत smart लोग हैं. मतलब कमाल है. Okay, एक और. Okay. सवाल मैं पूछने वाला हूँ, सुनो. जब दिल ही टूट गया, हम जी के क्या करेंगे जब दिल ही टूट गया. ये गाना किसने गाया? सोचो. Who sang the song? जब दिल ही टूट गया, हम जी के क्या करेंगे? Who sang the song? Any idea? All right, this is a trick question, and I'm getting the answers, and I am trying to figure out कौन. यार रहमान, किसी ने कहा AK रहमान. यार AK रहमान मैंने अभी गाया है, but actually, who sang the song? You know? Well. पुराना गाना है, मतलब बहुत पुराना, हमारे पप्पा के जमाने का. किशोर कुमार साहब ने नहीं गाया, इससे पहले KL Sehgal साहब is the right answer. Yes, that is the correct answer. DL02198113 is the correct answer. Congratulations, very well done, guys. We're gonna go on with our awards one more time, and thank you for joining in. It's थोड़ा सा मुस्कुराने का एक मौका देते हैं, and I have to give you a reason to smile, so keep smiling, guys. We're gonna go on with the awards again, and अंकुर को बुलाना चाहूंगा वापस, and I'd also like to call Zone Head North and East. That's Deepak Sharma. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause. And all the winners out here, what a magical evening this has turned out to be. मैं इतना खुश हूँ. I'm so inspired by all these brilliant performances जो आपने की है. I have to tell you this. You set an example. You actually are leaders for our excellence. And it's evening को मुझे होस्ट करते हुए बड़ा मजा आया. दोस्तों, आज की शाम खत्म होने को आ रही है. I know वक्त कैसे गुजरा पता ही नहीं चला. But they say that all good things come to an end, ताकि हम एक नई शुरुआत करें और अच्छे से परफॉर्म करें और अवार्ड्स पाए and और celebrate करें. To do the vote of thanks, please welcome Head Agency Planning and Analytics, Rohit Agarwal.
And how can I forget Mr. AK Rahman? Rahman, thank you to you. And I think, my apologies, Rahman, I just, in the flow, I kind of just missed you. But I think you have been the instrumental force behind the evening for making it sure that this virtual turned into a live event. Thank you, and a big thank you to you.
Well, well, the smile is just not ending. Thank you very much, Rohit. That was very, very sweet of you. And, it feels like family. And what an amazing evening it was. It definitely deserves a drum roll of an applause. Thank you, guys. Let's sum up the evening. Thank you for everybody who's been an amazing audience, wherever you are. Hindustan ki koi bhi kone mein ho. We hope you had a wonderful time as much as we had putting up this great event, and wish you all the very best for your future. And of course, keep raising the bar, keep performing the way you are doing, and let's cheer for Max Bupa. Hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. And ladies and gentlemen, till next time, my name is A.K. Rahman, wishing you all the very best. I really had a ball of a time. Stay home, stay healthy, keep working, keep raising the bar, and keep shining. Till next time, A.K. Rahman signing off saying, take care, Shabba Khair.